not many people are on at the moment. I can see CJ. Can you hear me, CJ? Yeah, okay, cool, thank you. Can you see the slides too? Yeah, okay, fantastic, thank you. So I decided to broadcast earlier, just in case. I'm staying at a friend's Airbnb. The network connection is not great in this area, so finger crossed we won't have the same problem as last time. Okay. Okay, I see another person join. Hello, Bob Miller. Okay, if you are joining just now, I've decided to broadcast earlier just in case. So it's not like we have started the session. We haven't actually. Okay. We have 1 minute to go, or at least the scheduled start. Let's hope more people will join before we start. Oh yeah, so I see the usual. George just came in and then disappeared again. Hello, George. Okay. I hope everyone can hear me. So. Okay, we have our friend Amir also joined. Hello, Amir. Should we wait for a few minutes to see if more people join? In the meantime, maybe I should make a poll, ask a question. Let's see, about the difficulties so far. Let's see. We'll have another poll at the end of the session to ask about the lecture gaps, but let's see, how are you finding in terms of difficulty? Hello, Barry. Trying to, because this poll was not planned. Maybe I do this after. I'm trying to see what, how should I phrase it? I'm finding it hard as we progress. Finding it easy. As we progress. And let's see another one. hard, not easy. I couldn't find something else to put, so okay, so it's visible. Okay, so I've just posted a poll just to have an idea how the level of difficulty have been with you guys while we wait for other people to join. I promise we'll finish on the hour, so even if we wait another 3 minutes or so, we should be on time. Okay, that's good. Not hard, not easy. Okay, most people anyway. Hello, Stefano. Okay. Okay. Hello, Saptarshi. Okay, so most people, at least the ones who have taken the vote, not hard, not easy. So that's good in the middle as we progress. This is good news. Okay, let's see how many people are now. Maybe we should hold another minute to see if more people arrive. Otherwise, I will just start with the pre-session comment stuff, and then maybe before we join, others will be able to join the session. Okay, we have more people joining. This is good. Okay, everyone can see the slides, right? Maybe I should just start with the pre-lecture comment stuff. I take that for yes. In fact, I will ask if everyone can hear me. All good? Okay. Okay, great. So let me get started. Welcome to session 4. So this is the agenda for today. We'll have a bit of pre-session comment stuff. And then the main session actually will be split in 2 parts as usual, just to make it easy for you to reference when the videos are uploaded on YouTube too. Also, so you can check the parts that are most relevant to you when you are revising. Okay, so the first part will be about this concept that we could have defined in the general abstract sense, but as I mentioned before, instead we decided to a lot of the abstract concepts to bring them into the metrics topology section, so you can see concrete examples much more less painfully than doing it in abstract sense. Okay, so this is what we'll cover in part B, and then part A, topological basis, the notion of product topology. In here, I will take a shortcut. You will see what I mean. The notion of projection maps. This is also something important that will come about again in the when we touch fiber bundles. I'm still inclined to cover fiber bundles. And then part B, topological invariants, connected spaces, and so on. I wanted to cover part connected spaces, but I think that would be too much. Instead, we'll cover them in the next session, which is the final session of this part here. So well done to all of you who have made it this far from here. So this is the green stuff is done, completed stuff, and we are here. This is the second session of 3 sessions, planned sessions. So well done if you have had the pain of going through all these sessions. Some of you might have noticed here, the eagle eye guys, that I've added an extra session here. So instead of 3, it's now four sessions on the manifold section. Okay. The reason for that is I'm now very inclined to include fiber bundles, to give you some flavor about fiber bundles. And a few other stuff. For example, I saw on Discord, some of you were discussing about the sphere, for instance. Someone was asking, okay, the sphere is a metric space, but there was a bit of a thing about the vector space in structure. Obviously, a sphere is not cannot be equipped directly with a vector space structure. It's a manifold, but we can attach a vector space structure on a sphere through a construction called tangent space. So at each point of the sphere, so we can do that. So yeah, so that's one of the reasons also I think we should have maybe an extra session on manifolds. So I added another session, so it makes it 4 instead of 3 that we originally planned.